In this video, I'll show you how to connect a USB drive, could be also a hard drive, to your Samsung Smart TV. It could be a more recent Samsung Smart TV, but this also works if you have an older one. So let's get started. The first step before even connecting this USB drive is just to make sure that it's formatted the right way, so that the Samsung TV can actually read the files on it. So if you have a QLED or SUHD TV, then it should be formatted in FAT, exFAT, or NTFS. If your Samsung TV is just a full HD one, then it will only work with NTFS, FAT16, and FAT32. The second step is to make sure that the actual videos or audio files you're trying to play on your Samsung TV are formatted in a format that the TV can read. I'll put on display all the formats that any Samsung TV could read. You can pause the video and just make sure that the files is one of these. And as you can see on the right side, if you want to play a 4K video, well, it needs to be on a specific video codec, because not all of them will work. Some of them is only for full HD. For the next step is to actually connect the USB drive to the TV. You should just go in the back and it should be right around where the HDMI ports are. So here mine is right above, but maybe yours is positioned in a different way. Simply connect. Okay, press, just make sure that it's all the way in. Take your Samsung remote control and press on the source button, which should be on the top right corner. Just press it once and you should have this menu appearing on the screen. Depending which Samsung TV, it could look like the one above in blue. If you have a newer one, it will look more like the one below. And you should select USB device or USB device USB. Now you're going to have this screen where all the audio video files will be there. If you have some folders on the USB drive, they will also be presented to you. All you have to do is select one of these and press the enter button, the middle button there around the arrows, once to select and play that specific file. If at any moment you want to get back to that menu and select another file to play, just press the return key, which is at the lower left side of the remote control once, and you can select another file to play. Now I really wish everything will work, but in case nothing worked, and even if you plug your USB key, nothing is happening, go and unplug your Samsung TV and wait 5 minutes. While waiting the 5 minutes, press the power button, could be under the TV or on the back of the TV, during 30 seconds. Keep it pressed, okay? Count to 30 seconds, and after the 5 minutes passed, you can go and plug back your Samsung TV into the wall. This small trick can solve many problems. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a comment down below. Also leave a like. It's always helpful. And I'll see you in the next one.